Hi, this is Frank Groundling, coming to you from Ocean Art Gallery in Ormond Beach. We haven't talked in a long while, and I figured I'd give you an update on what's happening with us during this coronavirus crisis. We're into lockdown and have been all month. We are seeing some folks, however, who are interested in coming in to talk about art or framing. They've made appointments by calling, which you can do as well. Just call 386-317-9400. Leave a message. I will get back with you, and we'll schedule a convenient time. The other way to reach me is frank@oagart.com, and I'll get back with you pronto, and we'll set up something or come in and talk with me, and we can figure out exactly what your objectives are, and I'll give you the best advice I can. We also are here during the day so that we can deliver items to the curbside that have been purchased on our website at oagart.com. We have every piece of art that's here in the gallery on the website. And we have a financial incentive for you to acquire it during the coronavirus issue that we're dealing with. So check us out and see what's there. And maybe there'll be that piece that you've been thinking about getting, and now's the time to do it because you'll save money too. Our employees aren't here. They're being paid to stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and we expect that we'll be able to get them back here as soon as the lockdown is released. And we are asking city officials, government officials to consider that seriously, for businesses like ours especially, where we don't get tens of people at a time in the gallery space. So we're hopeful of opening up in the near future. Another thing to think about is that we have a wide variety of art here, and we have artists that we're supporting. They're in a critical situation, so if you do see some art that you're interested in, now's the time to get it. Help them out, help us out, and in the meantime, we want everybody to stay safe, stay healthy, make sure that you're doing all the things you can possibly do to protect yourselves. So that's just a quick update. Stay tuned. There'll be other videos that we'll put up in a little while about different artists. We do have new art coming in all the time, so we want to keep you posted as to what's happening. So stay safe. This is Frank Groundling signing off for now. See you next time.